Hello everyone, I've just received my black cotton socks. I keep losing them, don't know why or how, they just keep ending up all over the place, so I ended up needing to buy some more. So just going to get them out and talk about the material. So these are cotton, 100% cotton. They're actually they're quite thick, quite nice to feel on the inside, looking good, okay, and they feel very soft and comfortable. So I'm looking forward to actually wearing these. So these come with one pair. Okay, just get them all out. 2 pairs, 3 pairs, and 4 pairs, okay? So once again, these are what the socks look like. Nice and comfortable. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed a pair. Oh, there's actually 2 pairs. So these come with 6 pairs included, okay? Really soft, really comfortable, definitely padded. Yeah, just, I've worn these before, I've ordered these before, but these are just new pairs because I keep losing them. Don't know how I'm doing it. But yeah, nice and easy to match. And yeah, I think I would recommend these. Thanks.